4 hours, and that's so insane. I'm so excited for this challenge. So yeah, now let's begin. But I'll tell the time, that is 10:30 right now, and till tomorrow 10:30 I have to continue this challenge. So I'll meet you guys in breakfast. Until then, bye. I'm having green apple and a pear and another pear with some cool. Hi. Hello. Hi. This is what I'm having apparently. Fruits and of course. So yes, now I'll keep you guys in the time slap. Until then, you guys can watch me. My breakfast is done and here she comes. Like whenever I'm vlogging once again, she has to come. Hi, Piha. Hi. I'll see you guys later when I'm gonna have something and a quick thingy that what we're having in lunch. Actually, you know what? Let me show you guys in the lunch only. Bye-bye. Guys, it's 1 o'clock and I am having my lunch. It's green pulao and actually it's just rice and some palak curry and all. So yes, I'll catch you guys later and see you guys later. So guys, this is what I'm having for my snacks, and yes, as I told you guys, I finished my lunch, long back, and I think I'm gonna have something nice in the dinner. Mama's gonna, make something good for me, and I guess she's gonna make palak paneer with green paratha, and I love palak paneer. That's my favorite, and मैंने बहुत टाइम से नहीं खाया था palak paneer. So finally I'm gonna have this challenge. So until then I'll have this, and I don't think I'm gonna be surviving on this for long. So I think I'm gonna have a fruit after that. But I'll catch you guys later when I'm gonna have something, and I'll have a fruit or something exciting. Until then, this is the preparations, and to clarify it with you guys, I'm just shooting this thing. It's green in color, so I can have it. And finally palak paneer ban chuka hai. Actually without paneer, because DMart mein paneer available hi nahi tha, and now that's not my fault of course. But here's how the ripe juicy color looks of it, for which I'm so happy. I'm so happy with the color because ये proper वाला green बना है, and that's the best thing about it. And yes, now I'll see you guys later when I'm gonna actually have it. Now I'm doing just school work. I hate doing it. So we have green paratha, like that's so insane. And yes, I'll catch you guys when I'm having it. I'm actually having it in 5 minutes. I'll just get it on my plate. Until then, bye-bye. This is my dinner. I was about to say lunch. Green paratha, palak ka sabji, and some cucumber because that's also green, and it's very very filling. I'm very very happy with the result. Actually, I'm a huge fan of whatever is done. And guys, actually इतनी मेहनत करके एक बार like तो कर ही देना इस वीडियो को. Not the end of course, but yes, see you guys later. And I'm just having food right now. Guys, it's morning again, and it's not 10:30 yet, it's 9:30. So I'm having my breakfast, which is this. I'm sorry for the background voice, I can't do anything, but I'm having again green food in the morning. मैंने ये part के लिए prepare नहीं किया था, so I'm having this right now. So see you guys later. The video, and I am so happy, and finally I can have normal food. It is right now 12:05 which is I think very late for the challenge, but I just had that green paratha and chutney. After that I had nothing, like nothing. And yes, I was just busy doing schoolwork. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and I did enjoy this challenge. Make sure to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel because it means a lot to me. Until then, goodbye. Also guys, if you ask me that am I gonna make any of these again, then definitely yes, especially the green paratha and palak wala sabzi, because it was so tasty together, it was so creamy together. So I would really love to have that once again. And now final bye bye.